friends! Today we're going to make ice cream using heart-shaped Play-Doh. Look, we have Play-Doh. Green, blue, purple, yellow, orange, and red. Let's get started. For the first ice cream, I'll use this mold. A light blue ice cream mold. And the Play-Doh. I choose purple. And yellow. We'll put them together. 2 heart shapes. So cute. Put them in the mold. Stick a stick in the middle so we can hold our ice cream later. Push it in tight. Okay, close the mold. Press it down hard. Oh, extra Play-Doh is spilling out. Open the mold. And remove the extra. The ice cream looks neat now. So pretty. Purple grape flavor, yellow mango, a perfect combo. Leave it here and let's move on to ice cream number 2. Ta-da! A pink ice cream mold. Great for matcha. Add green Play-Doh here. Press and spread it evenly. Oh, we only have Play-Doh on one side. Add some more on the other side. Do the same as the first. Add a yellow stick. Place it carefully. Close the mold and press it down. Okay, now check it out. So fun! It looks just like I imagined. Refreshing matcha ice cream. Do you like it, kids? This ice cream mold looks excited to be used. Open it first. And pick your Play-Doh. Blue looks beautiful. Spread it evenly and add a stick. Oh no, our ice cream is pushed up. Smooth it down carefully. Close the mold slowly and press it. And now, another ice cream ready! Do you know what flavor this is? Right! Blueberry ice cream! Looks smooth, but don't eat it, okay? 2 more Play-Doh colors left! Perfect! I just found this mold. Let's mix them together. I'll use a knife to spread the Play-Doh evenly on both sides of the ice cream mold. Press it down nice and flat. Now it's orange Play-Doh's turn. Do the same! All done! Ah, don't forget the stick! Familiar step. Press the mold. Open it! Yay! We have strawberry and orange ice cream! Sweet and tangy. So yummy, right? 1 ice cream. 2 ice creams. 3 ice creams. 4 ice creams. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye! See you again!